Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As part of Python tutorial, today I'll talk about Python comments. In Python, comments are lines of code that are not executed by the interpreter. They are used to explain the code and make it easier to understand. At the very beginning, you can type hash sign, thereafter you can write your comments. Thereafter you can write your code. After writing your code, thereafter at the same line you can write hash sign, then comment. Similar way, if any lines of code that you don't need to execute at the any moment, you can put the hash sign over here that will ignore by the Python interpreter. Thereafter, for multiple lines of code commenting, Python doesn't allow. So every line you need to write hash sign like this way. Also, while Python does not have a specific syntax for multi-line comments, you can achieve the same effect by using triple quoted string that are not assigned to a variable. So those example, I'll show you Python IDE. I will use PyCharm. Let's open PyCharm. Thereafter, we'll do the same thing. Here is already my project is created in PyCharm IDE. Those who are very new in PyCharm IDE as well as Python program, I have a separate video for that where I explain how to install PyCharm IDE and create a project. So you can watch the video from my channel. So select the project, thereafter right click, then click new, then Python file. Thereafter you need to type your Python file name. So let's say file name is comments example. Thereafter hit enter. So it is Python file is created. First thing you need to comment, put the hash sign, thereafter Python comments. It is comments. Python interpreter at the time of running Python interpreter will ignore this line. Thereafter you can write print hello Python. In this way you can write it. Thereafter also you can write print hello world. After writing your Python code, end of the line, if you type hash sign, then Python comments. In this way, you can do that. Also, let's say I'm just copying in order to make it short video. So just type over here. So there are two lines of code you have written, but at the time of execution, you think that this is not needed for this execution. So you can simply put hash sign before that will ignore at the time of execution. Also, for the multi-line comments, let's say Python programming, Python tutorial, then data science. All you need to comment out. So in other programming language, there is a code you can very beginning and end of your line, you can do that. Python doesn't allow the multi-line code. So every single line you need to, from the beginning, you need to type hash sign so that it will ignore hash sign. All are ignored by the program. So this is the way you can do the multi-line comments. As I mentioned, while Python doesn't support multi-line comments, but another way you can achieve those things. Let's say copy those things and also paste it over here. Remove the hash sign. So from the beginning, you can type 3 single quote or double quote. And also end of your line, whatever you don't need, you need to comment. So that means this triple quoted. those will be ignored by the Python at the time of Python code execution. That's all about for comments. Let me run this thing so that you will see all the hashtag. That means commented will not impact anything for your code running. So right click, run comments example. Click over here, it will run. You see hello Python printed, hello world printed, hello world printed. Nothing happened for the commented code because it is commented with the hash sign. In this way, for your programming purpose, you can put hash sign whatever needed for comment. That's all for Python comments tutorial. I believe those who are new in Python programming as well as comments tutorial, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question about comments and Python, please make a comments. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.